Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic pickle with vinegar. First, gather your fresh garlic, vinegar, and a selection of aromatic spices. We'll then prepare the garlic cloves, ensuring they are ready for the pickling process. Next, we'll combine all the ingredients to create a flavorful brine. Finally, I'll guide you on how to properly store your delicious homemade garlic pickle for optimal taste. To begin, you'll need to peel approximately 2 pounds of fresh garlic cloves. A quick way to do this is by shaking them vigorously in a jar or blanching them in boiling water for about 1 minute. After blanching, drain the garlic and pat it completely dry. If you have particularly large cloves, consider slicing them in half to ensure they pickle evenly and absorb the flavors well. Now, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar until dissolved. This is also the perfect time to add your preferred pickling spices, such as 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or black peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then remove it from the heat. Carefully pack your prepared garlic cloves into clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Pour the hot pickling brine over the garlic, ensuring all cloves are fully submerged. Seal the jars tightly with their lids. Allow the jars to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate. For the best flavor, let your garlic pickle mature for at least 2 weeks before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.